done with my 8 hours shift. So we're going home. Dadaan muna ako sa butchers. I really don't know what to get, but we'll see what they have. Right, are you ready? We're going. Hope lang talaga may parking space sa butchers, kasi kung wala, kailangan ko maglakad. The temperature right now is 6 degrees. Sobrang busy ngayon ay sobrang busy ngayon. I just need to turn around, really. Right. Bibili muna ako, ha? Bibili muna ako. Let's see what they got. I'm here. Sobrang busy ay. School time kasi. Si Mr. tinext niya ako na he will be out. Will pick the Polaris and Can-Am. Hindi ako sure kung nandito na ba si Mr. He quite clearly says na he will be out to pick up the Can-Am and Polaris. Nahanap ko yung susi ko. I can see Mr. is here. He's here. Just arrived. Meron akong parcel sa greenhouse. 2 parcels. It says greenhouse. Oh, hello, Bess. Ito siguro yung in-order ko sa Jules. Yeah. At yung ito para kay ate to, Ate Divine. And ito para to sa katrabaho ko na nag-resign na siya. Hindi siya nag-resign. Nag-retire na siya. Oh. hangin. Sobrang ginaw ng hangin. So, yung katrabaho ko na nag-retire, palagi kaming nag-work together. So, parang pasasalamat namin. She's very nice. So, I hope lang magustuhan niya yung binigay ko sa kanya. Marami nang nagre-retire sa workplace namin. Kasi, ano naman talaga, most of them, they are in their retirement age na. Hindi ako yung pinakabata. Ako yung pangatlong pinakabata sa pinagtatrabahoan ko. So, ito yung nabili ko sa butcher. 1 black pudding and 2 steaks. Yan. Magbibihis muna ako and then we will cook our tea. Then, I will swap you to my camera kasi at the moment, yung ginagamit ko is my phone. So, bang handy talaga to ay. Kasi hindi kasi masyadong halata na nag-vlog ka pag phone yung ginagamit mo. Yeah, it's a sirloin steak. That's a good cut, Han.
Yeah, think I'm this best bit.
This cost me 14 pounds.
Yeah.
Well, with the black pudding. Yeah, 14 pounds. Huh? But look at that. The quality of it.
The quality is in the taste.
Honey, come back.
What?
So if I did not put this in the butcher, what we're having tonight?
What?
What we're having tonight?
You do already.
If I did not get something from butchers.
Pasty.
Yeah, pasty. He will say, it's a crap tea. He will be complaining.
Pasty.
He will be
50.
complaining and I'll be accused of being a bad wife.
50p.
He never really appreciated that I bought something. I was watching TV and how can I forget my Christmas lights? We need to turn this on. Saan na ba yun? Ito na. There you go. Pasensyahan nyo na, sobrang ingay niya. So at the moment, ito na yung steak natin. Yung vegetable natin, luto na sila. Oops. Yan. I need to flip them over. Ako talaga, noon, pag nasa restaurant kami, yung steak na ino-order ko, dapat talaga well done. Ngayon, it's changed. Dapat may dugo-dugo na. Oh my gosh! Magbabago talaga yung ano natin, no? Yung, ano ba, panlasa natin, pantikim natin. Honey! It's ready! Ooh!
I just chucked a chip off and chucked my carrot off.
Carrot off.
Feels right, wouldn't it?
Are you not? Are you sure you're not having
I'm
something
positive.
there? Okay, then I will pour it everything here. Gusto ko kasi may sabaw. So ito na siya. So kain muna ako kasi sobrang gutom ko talaga. Kain! Good morning! It's another day mga palangga. Titingnan ko lang yung parcels ko. Nakalimutan ko siyang i-open yesterday. Ito. Titingnan natin just to check na correct yung items. Dito tayo mag-open. Yung oras dito is 5:45 in the morning. Si Jan, wala dito si Jan kasi umalis siya. Sobrang aga umalis ni Mister. Gumising yun 5:30 in the morning. Then umalis siya mga 5 minutes ago lang para i-deliver yung Polaris. I-check lang natin to. Ito yung regalo ko sa kanya. Mahilig kasi siya sa jewelry. Kaya, yan. Reregaluhan natin siya. Sobrang bait niya. Ito yung invoice. And yeah, ito siya. Ito yung design. Yan, ito yung design ng earrings. And merong ano dito? Paper bag. Free na paper bag. There you go. Ilalagay natin to kasi ito yung parang certificate of authentication, I think. Yun ba? I don't know. Oh yeah, certificate of authentication, care advice, and certificate of authentication. So, lagay natin dyan. Itatali ko lang. Ay, kailangan ko palang maglagay ng note. Uy, maglagay muna ako ng note. So, ito na. Na-finalize ko na yung gift para sa kanya. Yan, na-sealed ko na rin. Nilagyan ko na siya ng staple. So, Kat, I hope you like it. Right, everything is off. Papasok na ako mga palangga kasi yung oras dito 10 to 7 na. At kailangan kong i-start yung car ko ulit. Ini-start ni Mr. yung car ko pero for a short period of time lang. Kasi baka ma-overheat yung sasakyan ko if I leave it too long. Yan. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Kinuha niya yung jacket ko sa sasakyan ko. Kasi yung jacket na yan, iniwan ko sa car ko. At tingin siguro niya malamig. So, ayun. Dinala niya sa loob ng bahay. Righty, righty. Got my yogurt. I need this. Oh, si Mister. Nakabalik na. I can see him. I can see him. I need to turn off the light now, so it will be very dark. Woo! Umuulan pala, kaya ayun. Yan si Mr. yan. Are you coming inside? No? So I'll lock the door then. Right. Can I have a kiss from my husband before I gonna go?
Love you.
Love you too. Take care.
You smell it.
Bye. Smell. Bye-bye. Well, sweet. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
I'm home. Kat is very happy nung binigay ko yung regalo sa kanya. Whew! It's not as cold today. It's 8 degrees. The usual. John is waiting. Hello. It is just windy. Come on. Hi. Look at you hiding.
There's no hiding. We don't do it.
Oh, you turn on our Christmas. Oh, not Christmas tree. Christmas light.
Wasn't me.
It wasn't you. I need to. Oh, it's fogging. It's warm here. I need to marinate the chicken wings, and we will be. Oh, it's really fogging, honey. Ay. Come on. Babalikan ko kayo pag nawala na yung fog kasi sobrang, well, it's cold outside and dito sa loob, it's warm. Babalikan ko kayo mga palangga. Finally, nag-clear na rin siya. So anyway, yun na nga. Kailangan kong i-marinate yung... Ay, bakit? Yan. Kailangan kong i-marinate yung chicken wings. Para manuo talaga yung lasa. This is my first time using this one. We got this from Oriental Shop. So hopefully, masarap siya. Babasahin ko muna yung instruction. So kailangan ko siyang i-mix sa water. Mix a packet of seasoning with 30 grams of water. 30 grams of water? How much is that equivalent to ml? Let me have a look. I have no idea. Is this right? 1 grams is equivalent to 1 ml? It looks like it. There it is. Yan. At meron ditong 30 grams. It's equivalent to 30 ml. Okay. Oh. Now I know. I-mix na natin to. And I presume, i-mix siya in cold water. Ooh. Sobrang strong ng amoy niya, ha? So, ito siya. May pagka-orangey yung powder. Oh my God, it makes me cough. Oh. Mix natin. Halo-haluin. Parang lumpy man yung mixture. Or sadyang ganito lang talaga. Ito siya, oh. Pakita ko, ha. Ito siya. Haon. Yan. Parang lumpy siya. But anyway, yun na siguro yan. Ito na yung chicken natin. Completely defrosted na talaga siya. Kasi we take it out in the morning. Sabi sa mixture, marinate 350 grams of chicken wings. And yung nito size is 1.1 kilograms. Well, that will do. So, mix natin siya. I know kulang yung mixture natin, yung natin para sa marinade. Pero, natatakot akong lagyan siya ng seasoning kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ang lasa nito. So, hopefully lang talaga masarap to. There's something in it that makes me cough. Nahalo ko na siya ng mabuti. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng cling film. Then, ilalagay natin siya sa fridge. Para yung fridge hindi siya mangamoy nito. Kasi, it has a strong smell.
Sleep time.
I know it's a sleep time, but I'm being a good wife. Time here is 10 past 10.
Johnny's
In the
bedtime.
evening.
Been awake since very early doors.
Yeah, very early this month.
We'll work again tomorrow.
No, not again. You're gonna wake up early tomorrow again?
We'll come out tomorrow.
Oh no. I need to take a picture of this because if this is good, then we will buy it again. But
It might be hot. It might be.
the thing is, honey, this sachet is only good for 350 grams of chicken wings.
We've
But
got 600.
no, we have 1.1 kilograms. So
I'll be fine.
it should not be overpowering.
Well, it will be. You're living there all night.
Well, they say that it's for the best result. So anyway, mga palangga, we'll have to say goodnight and see you tomorrow. Put that in the bin, sweetheart. You did not empty the bin again.
I'm ready again. I'm trying to be empty. I wasn't
Wow.
ready.
When it wasn't ready, it's ready. It needs
Yeah, but-
emptying. It suits you that, you know?
Where's all sweeties? What's this?
There's no sweeties in there.
Sweetie.
Oh, yes.
Light up photo.
Yeah, I bought this from the bookman. Ito siya. I
Why-
like this to
Why
hang.
did you not take your kiwis?
I forgot. This would be ideal to, you know, to be on the wall with our pictures because it's lit. It will light up. Yan.
Come put it back in. Let's go.
There you go.
The next day.
Finally, Mr. is home. Umalis yan kanina para makipag-meeting sa kanyang mga kaibigan. He asked me if I want to go with them. I said no.
phone signal, darling.
Okay, so I'm just starting cooking. Yeah, the oven is on. So, nag-meet sila ng kaibigan niya. At sabi ko, I don't need to go with you kasi puros mga lalaki. So, parang out of place naman ako. Sabi niya, sa pub daw, walang signal. Kaya, ayun, late yung tea natin, 6 o'clock na. I thought you're having your tea there. Yung oven naka-preheat. So, it will not take a long time to cook. Isi-set up lang natin yung tray. And manonood tayo ng... Ano ba yung pinanood ko? Captain something. Captain Marvel? Captain America? I don't think it's Captain America. But ito yung pinapanood ko. Saan ba yung remote control? Captain Marvel. I'm watching Captain Marvel, so don't change that
Not very warm in here.
channel! No, it's not so warm. You have the cider. We definitely need this. Right, sit down. Have a sit down. Well, you did not text me. You're supposed to text me.
No, there's not one bit of signal or nothing in there.
Okay, shh. I'm watching, honey.
She's lovely.
I'm watching Captain Marvel. So, please. So, malapit nang maluto yung chicken. Ito na yung ating coleslaw. And John is preparing...
Coleslaw.
Huh?
Cabbage and carrot.
Cabbage, carrots, red onion. And basically, mayonnaise and mustard only. That's all. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. It's way past my tea time. Not
We're having
bedtime.
we're having a late one.
Late lunch,
Late
late
dinner.
dinner, late tea.
There's no one socialising. Chatting.
Ito na yung chicken. Oh, that's very hot. Yeah,
Ready?
I think
Yeah,
that's
come on,
ready.
Let's have it.
Oh, be careful, sweet.
I'm going back to this one. Oh, right. we need-
Do you think this is cooked?
Yes. Where's the plates?
Ayun talaga, masarap to.
What's some of that?
Kain.
Look what I've got. Look what you got.
So ito yung chicken. Mukhang masarap.
Where's the blue paper?
It's in the front room already. At yung sausawan ko
Oh,
ito.
I put that stuff on.
Yum.
Oh, off you go. Go. Go, go, go.
We are watching Take Me Out. I really hope lang talaga masarap yung chicken. At I hope mas maging masarap pag ito yung dipping sauce natin. Banana ketchup.
If I find the perfect girl, who knows, maybe she could even end up being my sister. I may be a busy guy, but I still like to take the time out to appreciate the nature around us. I love to try and grow beautiful flowers in my garden. I'm not very good, but
Pwede
I
na.
try my best. Grow my pretty. Maybe next year we'll do it.
Pero is it okay?
Not spicy, are they?
No, not spicy. Next time we need to buy 2 for 1 kilo chicken.
We're gonna do a simple card trick. You're gonna take one of the
Nanoot yung
turn it face up. Everyone can
seasoning niya pero
You're gonna write your name on it.
kulang pa siya sa seasoning ba?
Diamonds. Take it, write your name